Today in this lecture, we are going to cover the concept of copy and paste in visual mode. In the previous lecture, already we have covered the same concept, but instead of visual mode, we have seen it in normal mode. First we'll see the concept and then I will go to VIM editor and show you all the concept one by one. As you already know how to go into visual mode, for that you need to press V and select the number of line. Then that line will be selected in the visual mode. Once the line is selected in visual mode, simply press Y to copy the content. Once the content is copied, you can paste similar to normal mode where we were pressing the key P to paste it at the desired location. And the same concept what we have used in normal mode, to enable the clipboard we need to set clipboard equal to unnamed plus. Now I will open VIM editor and show you all those things practically. This is my file open in VIM editor. What I will do, I will first select all the content of talk to device function and copy it, and then I will paste it somewhere else. For that I need to press V and select that content. See, this content is selected. What I need to do now, I need to press, remember it is not YY what we have done in normal mode. Instead we have to press only single wide, not double wide, that you care about. Now I have pressed Y. If you see here, it is showing 12 line young. This means now we are ready with 12 line to be pasted somewhere else. What I will do, I will paste it in the end. For that I need to press simply P. See, this content is pasted properly fine. This is how it works in visual mode. One more thing what I will show you here, the clipboard concept. Simply set the clipboard. See, already it is run in the previous lecture, that's why this history is saved. I will just press enter. Now it is ready. Now system clipboard is ready. What I will do, I will copy the content in gedit. See, it is not working. Why? Because copy has been done previous to selecting into this mode. Once again I will go to the editor and copy the content in visual mode. For that I will press B and select the content. See, this content is ready for copy. I will press Y. Then I will paste into the gedit using normal paste command, that is ctrl V. See, this content is copied. This means only when that clipboard is enabled, then only we can copy the content from VIM editor to any other editor. So that's all in this lecture.